We should be able to make it to the clearing before dark. Look, right up past that bend, I can see the edge.
Look down there.
By the river.
What is this place? It's huge.
We need an extraction team here right now. Send everyone you have to the old mill site. We're taking heavy casualties.
We're at the extraction point.
Start the heavy lift.
All right, team, clear this debris. We need access now.
Hold it right there. A little lower on my side. All right, easy now. Set it down.
This place looks amazing, and I'm so glad we finally made